off to Driftland. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Cameron's very kindly driven 3 hours this morning from Aberdeen to bring a really nice conditioned steering rack down to us. So massive kudos to him. If you guys could give Cameron a little follow just to show our appreciation, really appreciate it. We're about 30 minutes away from the track. Dave, Lauren and Nat are inside behind us. Mr. STO himself, how are they?
Hello, very tired.
Yeah, man. Did you camp last night?
In my car.
Oh, fair play. Proper drifter this is. Right, we're pretty much ready to go. We've had our briefing. I actually made it here on time for once. Any minute now, Cameron's going to be here with a rack, so we'll get that swapped over. I'm also going to get rid of my rear tyres. I was running some power tracks yesterday. Now I've got 430 odd horsepower, literally no grip. I've got the Mohawks in the van, which I know are a lot better. They're a lot grippier for a budget tyre, so I'm going to try running those for the first few laps, and fingers crossed got a bit more grip. Tom Giddens' car looking absolutely savage. Our saviour arrives. Honestly, without you, we'd be going home by now. So I told the audience you come all the way from Aberdeen this morning, and I told them to follow you down here as well, so we can say a massive thank you. Look at that, you absolute star.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
What's going on, man? Have you just let your air ride off?
Yeah. Fuck.
What's happened?
The car wasn't even on. There you go. Aircon pipe burst. My aircon pipe.
Oh, that's alright. You don't need aircon, man. Yeah, it's nice having aircon.
Well, it was.
Right. We are all good to go. Cameron, absolute legend, brought the steering rack down. Dave and Nat, absolute legends, have now changed the steering rack. So, fingers crossed, we're going to go out, retry the car, and see what happens. fair play.
The main thing is that we have the fuel cap back. We have the fuel cap back.
Well, to be honest, it did look, the last time I saw it, I had to go and have a soak for about 20 minutes. So yeah, when I left it, it looked horrendous, but to be fair, it looks pretty decent now. We've even got this fitment stick, courtesy of Mr. Law. Thank you very much. Fitment. Luckily, I've got very nice boys helping me out. So. This is Connor's car. Shit, Connor. Crazy, man. Did actually stop me from dying and spin it. I nearly fucking spun over. I flipped over. Crazy, man. It's all fair, love and war, man. It doesn't matter, honestly. Give me a hug. Shit happens. Sorry, man. What actually happened? Because like you were doing some nice fast entries, man. I sort of came in behind you.
I hadn't spent there all day, and I don't know. Just what I'm.
I'll tell you what it is. It's the pressure of Monky London. But yeah, shit happens, man.
Yeah, sorry, man.
No, all good. Massive props to Mr. 61 for donating his lights to the cause, and for Tom for helping out. That's what I do. We're doing a bit of an aero hunt. Yeah, unfortunately, I had a microphone on the back of my bumper which has disappeared, and we are missing a couple of bits of bodywork. So we're gonna have a quick goosey gander, see what we can find. That's not my car. All right, what's this bit? This is something. This is S15. This is S15. Sorry about that, Geeky.
Don't worry about me.
Yeah, shit.
This is every day for me.
Yeah. Thanks so much, Geek. Yeah, and if you guys can also follow my lovely here on Instagram and subscribe to his YouTube channel, because the deal for me is I've got to get him loads of subscribers or I can't drift here ever again.
Sounds fair.
So yeah, subscribe. Right, this is what we've managed to find. Georgie actually managed to find the microphone as well, so big kudos to her. And we've got these sort of various bits. We've got a bit of Yashio factory LED. Yep. That looks like to be the top of the canard. Yeah, various bits. Adam, what happened?
Yeah, right.
You were doing, yeah, I'm alright, man. Yeah, I just got a bit, I cried a little bit. A tear definitely exited my eye.
I was going around in front with Dan, and I was like, oh, maybe he wants me to go ahead because he slowed right down. So I went, and then I see you just.
God. So yeah, so not only did Cameron rescue my arse this morning with a steering rack, he's now repairing my body kit with his missus, very diligently lying on my trailer. So yeah, massive kudos to him. Follow Jamie Best down here, guys, please. I really need his help. Right, ta-da!
10-foot rule, it's good for 10 foot.
That is good, man. So yeah, Mr. 621, thank you very much. Obviously, Mr. Dave Garage 21, thank you very much for fitting it.
Sorry, mate.
With Nat, welcome.
Cheese over there.
And also Stu, Garage SR, quick fist bump, absolute fucking legend. Give him a follow, man. Martin, love you. Boys, thank you so much for making the car look respectable. And we're going to make Goodwood tomorrow.
Of course we are.
Fuck yeah, we are still going to Goodwood Players Classic tomorrow. We're going to be pretty shattered because it's quite late now. And the car is a bit battered, but hopefully it gets appreciated. Now we're going to do a quick little pack up, get all the stuff ready. They're going to finish sort of massaging the car and then we'll crack on with the journey. Yeah, overall had a really sick day. Unfortunately, we did have a little crasheroo, but it wasn't the chap's fault. You know, he did a spin. I've done plenty of spins today. Shit happens. This is drifting. What do you reckon? Did you have a good time? Awesome. You're fucking tired because you've been helping me non-stop. You boys happy? Dave, are you happy with the results?
I'm always happy.
Because I'm your sponsored driver. Have I performed or have I?
Well, the wheels went bad, yeah.
Oh, man. Me and Mrs. GG, fist bump. We are on the road going back to good old England. We've got about 7.5 hours left to go, which should get us home for about 4:30. I hope you guys enjoyed this cheeky little episode. Sorry about all the sort of madness with the car, but we'll get her fixed, we'll get her sorted, and I'll be back out real soon to send it some more.
We'll be right back.